Juan presenting our video. Tagalog Fishing Village is an urban barangay in Valenzuela City, Philippines, that was transformed from a flood-prone area into an eco-tourist zone. Known for its 1,300-meter boardwalk and fishing stations, it allows visitors to enjoy activities like recreational fishes, for species like tilapia, elito, boating, and birds watching. It showcases a sustainable livelihood tourist model for the community.
The 70s did not subside attracting fish from the Conecuolo, Makabayan, and Kulong rivers.
Tagalog, formerly known as Taga-Ilog, come from the Filipino word Tagalog, belongs to and alog, a pool of water, referencing the area flooded past and river sources.
Tagalog an ecotourism zone, and subsequent ordinances helped establish it as a sustainable livelihood tourism.
1,300-meter boardwalk offers scenic views and is equipped with light posts and statue of local fish. It is a popular resort for walking, jogging, and photography.
Green waters can be explored by renting a boat or kayak. The location is known for its rich aquatic life, and it's also a place to see both native and migratory birds. The boardwalk and the surrounding areas are suitable for biking.
Development has created new employment opportunities and increased the income of the local community, while also for providing resources to support environmental preservation efforts.
Government has passed ordinances to support the ecotourism zone, including No. 1 that declared it a no-build zone to protect its natural environment, and others that provide tax incentives for local business. You can't use any dynamite and bad things in raising fishes.